How to fix large font or text size problem in iPhone. So let's get started. So the first solution is press volume down button and power off button together and slide to power off. After you turn on the phone, the problem will be resolved. If the issue still persists, then move to the second solution. Go to settings and here in the search box write reset. Click it here. After that, click on reset. Here, click on reset all settings. After that, the mobile will restart and the issue will be resolved. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.